Just gonna do like a quick pedal tone test of the Digitech RP7 Valve pedal. I'm playing through my Yamaha Pacifica guitar, and hold on a minute. Yeah, cool. I'm playing through my Yamaha Pacifica guitar, which has a humbucker and two coils. It's a 5-way coil split. Blah blah blah. One tone knob, one volume knob. I'm playing into my Digitech RP7 Valve pedal, and then I'm playing also, and then that's going through into my Yamaha Mini GA 15-watt practice amp, which you can probably not make out the dials, but yeah, it has one distortion clean channel. I'm playing through the clean channel with 10 bass, 10 mid, and 7 treble. And I'm just going to show you a few patches which I've come up with in the pedal right now. What do you call it? This one I primarily use the cleans, and it's a chorus delay kind of effect, obviously. I use that on calm burst patterns. I have some crazy super effects like super flange for any crazy shows. Got distortion with a little bit of delay. It's a bit of intro. This one I use for any mono effects I want leading into a song. Yeah, right now. This is one of my 2 distortions that I tend to use. This one most people recognise if I start playing it. Although I'm not sure if you can make up the tone. But it allows for a really strong definition, of course. And it allows you to pick up all the individual chords and stuff. Any of the chord shape or any chord sound. Anyway, I have a nice glassy crunch kind of clean sound on the next patch. And that's just like a nice clean glassy, but it still gives me that little bit of